Today on All About AI Tech, we're diving into a groundbreaking topic: how transcranial focused ultrasound, or tFUS, targeting the V5 area of our brains can enhance a visual motion-based brain-computer interface. Sounds complex? Don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Imagine directing sound waves into your brain to supercharge how you interact with a computer. That's right, tFUS can do that. Recently, researchers have been exploring how these waves can modulate the part of the brain known as V5, which is crucial for visual motion processing. Think of it this way: if you've ever watched an action movie and could perfectly catch every swift movement, that's like having a high-performing visual BCI. What tFUS does is help your brain get to that level of clarity and precision. In our study, we brought in 25 healthy volunteers from around Pittsburgh. They wore EEG caps, much like a swimmer's cap with multiple sensors. For safety, we pre-screened them through MRI scans and informed them of all the possible risks. One crucial step was obtaining voluntary informed consent. It's essential to align with the World Medical Association's Declaration of Helsinki, ensuring ethical standards in our research. We used a 128-element random array ultrasound transducer with a 700 kHz fundamental frequency. Why so specific? Because it helps in precisely targeting the V5 area while maintaining safety standards. In our preliminary tests, we used a skull fragment submerged in water alongside a hydrophone to capture the pressure field. This allowed us to fine-tune our equipment before actual human trials. Then, computer simulations came into play. We modeled the ultrasound transducer's behavior using specialized software. This ensured the waves hit the exact spot in the brain we wanted. Each participant had an MRI to map their brain regions. The V5 area was specified down to the millimeter, using neuronavigation tools that are as precise as any GPS you'd find in your car. Now, let's talk about the BCI speller. Imagine a virtual keyboard appearing on the screen, with rows and columns flashing one by one. Your task? Simply look at the letter you want to type. Raw EEG signals are downsampled and filtered, preparing them for a support vector machine classifier. This classifier learns to predict which letter you're looking at based on neural activity. Our study design included different conditions: standard EEG, decoupled sham tFUS, tFUS targeting other brain areas, and, of course, tFUS targeting V5. By comparing these, we could see the real impact of targeting V5 with ultrasound. For the brain-computer interface test, participants tried to spell out Carnegie Mellon with and without active tFUS. We measured how accurately and quickly they could do this. We analyzed the EEG data to pinpoint differences in neural activity. By examining regions like V5, superior parietal lobe, and inferior temporal lobe, we could understand if tFUS was making a difference in brain function. Next up, we calculated the Euclidean distance error between intended and output letters. This told us how well the BCI system performed under each condition. We used statistical models to account for repeated measures and other factors like the order of conditions. This helped ensure our results were robust and reliable. For the neural signal analysis, we examined specifics like the N200 theta power in response to stimuli. This can show changes in brain function when using tFUS. We also looked at cortical connectivity. By measuring correlations between areas like V1, V5, superior parietal lobe, and inferior temporal gyrus, we could see if tFUS altered brain network interactions. And here's the exciting part: participants using tFUS showed improved accuracy and efficiency in their BCI tasks. Their neural responses were more pronounced and better synchronized. So, in summary, tFUS targeting V5 helps in fine-tuning our visual processing, enhancing BCI performance by making our brains more responsive and accurate. This opens up new avenues for brain-computer interfaces and neurological research. If you found this video enlightening, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more cutting-edge AI tech content. Let's grow this community together, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining today on All About AI Tech. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.